My name is Benjamin Hobbs, and I'm going to do tillage methods in production agriculture. With the increasing population, right now is just over 7.1 billion people, according to worldpopulation.com. Um, More efficient tillage methods and production is needed to feed them. SeekingAlpha.com had an article, and in 1939 we was producing 24 bushels of corn per acre. Now, in 2011, we are currently at 148.1. There are many different types of tillage preparation that are used to get the ground ready to drill or plant a crop. I started farming in July of 2006 and have experienced these three methods of tillage along with conducting this research. Since there are many different types of tillage practices out there on the market today, I'm going to discuss just three of them. I will begin with the oldest form of conventional tillage, then move on to the most widely used form of no-till, and then lastly use the combination of the two called strip-till. Let's begin with the oldest of these three. Conventional tillage is one of the most widely used and known throughout the country. According to utilageanswers.com, the definition of conventional tillage is every bit of the topsoil has to be moved, and over 70% of the previous crop residue has to be incorporated into the ground, and there has to be under 15% of the residue left in the field at planting time. To get this done, many passes has to be performed on the field. There are many different pieces of equipment that can be used. The first piece that was invented was in the 16th century, and it was the wooden plow. But today, there are many different types of equipment that can be used. These can include disc rippers, chisels, field cultivators, harrows, and field finishers. Disc rippers and chisels go in first, and they break up the hard pan. Field cultivators and harrows are next. They smooth out that and get ready for the final step, which is the field finishers. They are the last thing to be used before planting and establish a nice level seed bed. The purpose of this is to control and fix erosion, mechanically control weeds since there was no herbicides back in the day, and to prepare the field for planting. Next is the complete opposite of conventional tillage. It is no-till. Newer technology and new farming techniques like this was established. The definition of this is to leave 100% of the residue on the field until planting. No-till was invented in the 1970s. To get this done, improvements on planters and drills made this possible. One of the main ones was coulters, like this one, acted as cutting blades. They went through the trash without a problem. And then also there are row planers that will move the heavy debris away right in front of the planter. And then also we got heavier downsprings and pneumatic air pressure. The idea of no-till was to save passes through the field. This will reduce soil compaction and erosion, help conserve water loss through dry years by not opening up the soil to the air and the sun, and also it increased profit by saving on time, fuel, and equipment. Finally, the last tillage method is a combination of the two previous ones. This is strip-till. Strip-till is one of the newer forms of tillage in the industry today. It is when about 50% of the residue remaining after planting, only about 30% of the surface of the soil should be exposed, and it provides a 6-inch strip where the crop is going to be planted. This was established in 1990 and became the first form of conservation tillage. right in the seed trench. This also helps fight off predator invasion more than conventional tillage by incorporating no-till and conventional tillage. There are many different types of tillage out there still, but due to time, these are the only three I'll discuss. With the changes in technology and the increase in population, new and improved forms of tillage will be out on the market to push yields higher. Preparing the seed bed has been and always will be an essential part of raising a crop, whether it is conventional